Alright, in this video I'm going to talk a little bit about the record button. This isn't something you're going to need to necessarily use for class, but it's good to know. Make sure that you open up a new Zoom call, and right at the bottom there next to share screen and breakout rooms there's the record. If you click that button, then a little box will open that says record on this computer or record to the cloud. If you click record on this computer, then I can see that my video is automatically recording because up at the left-hand corner there's this tiny little red dot that's blinking and it's showing me that I'm recording. I can pause this recording. I can also stop the recording. I can also do that down at the bottom. Once I started recording, then the record button changed to pause/stop recording. And if I click pause, then the recording is paused. If I click stop, the recording is stopped. The recorded file will be converted to an MP4 when the meeting ends. And this shows up in my Zoom video file, which I can access through my desktop. Lastly, I can record to a cloud if I want. By recording to a cloud, that goes directly to my browser, and that's on my account on Zoom. It's on my Zoom account on the internet. And I can see that it's recording to the browser because there's this little cloud icon. So I'm going to stop that recording now. Do I want to stop my cloud recording? Yes, apparently I will receive an email notification when my cloud recording is ready. So it actually takes a little time for your recording to be processed by the computer or the cloud, and so you can't look at it right away. So I'll get an email now when I know it's ready. That is all you need to know about recording.